Hi everybody, it's Rhonda. I want to wish all the women out there a happy International Women's Day. I hope that you take some time to enjoy yourself and all that you've accomplished and relax and sip on something delicious and healthy. Anyways, my name is Rhonda Hagen. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a Sipologist with Sipology by Steep Tea. Anyone who doesn't know what Sipology is, it is a company that sells health and wellness products, loose leaf teas, boosters, herbal teas. It's approved by Health Canada and the FDA to treat common ailments with their Heal Thyself line, which includes the herbal teas and the boosters or supplements. Anyways, I won't talk too much about that. I wanted to pop on here. I usually come on here once a month and I let you know what Sipology's customer and host exclusives are. So this catalog has some amazing deals. First of all, before I get into this month's customer exclusives and host exclusives, I wanted to let you know about their host program. So they have, of course, if you want to have a party, so I host parties as well as the other Sipologists. And for myself, I have quite a few different types of parties. If you're interested in earning some free or heavily discounted products from Sipology, they give free products over if you have a qualifying party of $250 in sales or more and 4 buying guests. And they also offer quite four different host exclusives as well as half-priced products or collections. So the first level is 67% off. You would be able to unlock at $400 sales for $18.50 this sweet strawberry lemonade matcha and this really awesome little little hand mixer. It's battery operated, and so this is a really delicious matcha flavor. And as well, with the second at $500 in sales, you would unlock this great adventure tumbler. So it wouldn't have this on it, but you can personalize it, put your name. It's really great. It comes with an infuser, which I don't have with me right now. It's in my covers, sorry. But you do have an infuser and it is great. No leaks or anything. It stays hot or cold for up to 6 hours. I love it. I use it all the time. And for a $700 party for 78% off at $24.20, you could unlock this great sampler set. It comes with 50 steeping sacks and a variety of teas. Some of them are even exclusive just for this host reward. All right, so for the month of March, our hosts will be able to unlock for our host exclusive for $20.70 in Canada and $20 to $25 in the US at 70% off. 3 different bags, 50-gram bags of matcha. And this is quite a few servings because it's 50 grams and each serving is only half a teaspoon. So we have 3 flavors: sweet caramel brownie matcha and sweet white chocolate matcha and sweet lemon meringue matcha, and I love it. So I'm going to be making and showing you how to make a sweet lemon meringue matcha iced latte in a second. And I also made a delicious earlier sweet caramel brownie matcha icing for some low carb brownies that I made earlier, and it is really delicious. So you'll have to watch for my reel that's going to be coming with that one. Hey Justin, my hubby's watching in the other room. The different party styles that I have online parties anywhere in Canada and the US. I also have catalog parties or a website party, which any of your guests would have a link to my website. And I have demos in all of the sections that show you how to use the products and make delicious recipes, as well as you would get some deals for your guests. And then they could just look at their leisure. I would give you a shopping link and everybody would get some deals and and learn through the website at their own leisure. So that's nice for the busy people. I also do in-person parties in the South Okanagan all the way to Kelowna, and that's great too. And I do party in a box. If you want to try some of the Sipology products, I send all what you need to your home, and I include in catalogs and prizes, and you can include that with a online party as well. And I do a live stream where I show you how to make some great drinks and answer all your questions about all of Sipology's product lines. All right, so let's get at it. So first, I'm going to show you how to make this iced latte. So if you're interested in hosting a party and earning some great free or heavily discounted rewards, just let me know and I'll get that set up for you. I'll also post, if you want to find out more information, a link to my VIP group and my website in the comments after, and you can check that out. And if you're watching later on Instagram or YouTube, my website is helpmeronda.live, and you can check me out there. All right, so what I'm going to do for my iced latte is I'm just going to put about a cup of milk into some type of cup or container that you can stir in. And I'm going to grab my, oh, I forgot to leave my matcha out. I'm going to grab my sweet lemon meringue matcha. And I need a little bit extra energy. So I'm actually going to do 2 servings of matcha, but you could do 1 if you didn't need very much. If you're sensitive to caffeine or you don't need a lot of energy like me. I'm a night shift worker, so I need a little extra boost. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon into my container, and all I do is whisk it. I'm going to use my hand mixer. You can also use our whisk, which is amazing, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so that's about all I need to do, and I'm just going to pour that over ice. And this is a delicious lemon meringue iced latte. It is so good. I love this flavor. Only 5 calories. Each half a teaspoon serving is like having the amount of antioxidants of 60 cups of spinach, which is just amazing. So many health benefits to drinking matcha, and our matcha is premium matcha, which is basically, if people know ceremonial grade, it's basically the same thing. It is definitely not cooking grade, which is brownish in color. You want to look for your matcha with bright green, and that is premium or ceremonial grade. So for our customer exclusive, so anybody that purchases an order of $65 or more unlocks this great very cherry matcha. It's exclusive for the customers this month. And also this whisk. This whisk is awesome. I use this whisk also instead of this hand mixer, but all you're doing is you're pushing down and it just fit. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can tip this down. Oops, tip this down a bit. And you can see it just really whisks really easily, effortlessly really. And so this is great to mix your matchas, your boosters, any kind of drinks that you're wanting to mix. Perfect for that. I use mine all of the time. All right, and that customer exclusive unlocked, and then you would get 55% off at $16.65 in Canada or $15.53 in the US. So that's really all I have to say, you guys. If you are interested in either placing an order or hosting a party, just let me know if you have any questions. Also, you can use my shopping links. Let me know if you have any questions, and also ask me about any deals I have going on. And I'd be happy to share those with you. I hope you have an amazing day, and remember, women, happy International Women's Day. Take care, everyone. Bye.